The success of International Purple Fest is not just the government of Goa or the State Commission for Persons with Disability, not just the social welfare or empowerment of persons with disability. We have taken this initiative and it is supported by all across from all the NGOs, and today we have been organizing so many events during the International Purple Fest, but in this year too we have hundreds of events which are associated with International Purple Fest, may it be in the sports, education, conferences or cultural. There are so many things that are going to happen in these few days, and today especially a prominent event that we're going to organize is inclusive run. There's a marathon with Adventures Beyond Barriers and organized by the Adventures Beyond Barriers Foundation, ABBF, supported by the Rotary Club of Panjim Rivera. And as you all know, they've explained what it is. It is happening on 12th of October, morning 6:30 onwards AM. Starting point is Inox Panjim, and we have three categories: 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, and 7 kilometers. This with the person with and without disability running together. It's an amazing event that you would witness because over 5,000 participants will enjoy the running for in this to prove that we are really inclusive and we take forward all the categories of disability together.